Hey guys, I'm at Dollar Tree. These are in the front of the store. I haven't seen these. The men's fleece scarf. So this color is rocking it. And then this one back here. They may have been here. I haven't seen them. Oh, you better stop it on that. These are $3 though. Oh, I thought they were $1.25. 5 bikinis, ultra soft, magnolia and chic. So that's rocking. Oh, get out of here. I mean, I guess that's not too bad either. So yes on that. So when I first saw these, this is what I was going to grab for, my whole Valentine's Day in the kitchen, right? But then when I went to Aldi's, I grabbed theirs. But I think I still want to grab one of these microfiber towels. They're so darn cute. And the curve. So I'm around the corner from home. I haven't been here in a little bit. You know what? I haven't been here this year. Oh my goodness. XOXO, that's pretty, right? I'm loving that shape on that. That one, Be Mine, Be Wine, scratch that right on out. That's the one for me. And I think we saw these. You had me at Merlot. I feel like these are older, but I don't remember this XOXO. Wait, what? My Valentine's has 4 paws. Oh, that's super cute, front and back. Oh, maybe I'll find what I had in the cart in Florida here. Fingers crossed. Oh, look at this. Rose decor, LED lights, pull the tab on that. Oh, that's cute, different. That's super cute. Here's the hot pink. That is really hot. Oh my goodness. And then the red back here. That is super cute. I think I want to get one. Oh my goodness. Is this the tab that's in it? No. Hold on. Oh no, the tab isn't in it, but it's not coming on. Oh, look at this one. When I put the white one back, this one popped on. That is so pretty. Maybe I'll get the white one. Yeah, let me see. Make sure the tab is in it. In the cart. Oh, how pretty are these? That's really pretty. I don't need it. I really don't for anything. I feel like I'm thinking in my head as I'm talking. No, but that's so pretty. All the balls over here, right? Yeah, these sit nice and flush, right? Because of that, kind of laying flat on the bottom. Family and love, I see. Is that it? Oh, here these go again. I saw them the one time, and I didn't see them anymore. These have a nice texture to them, too. So, hold on. Here's the placemats that go to it, and then here's the oven mitts up here and the pie holders. So it's the whole thing. I only saw the kitchen towel the last time, I feel like. You know what? I just stopped talking for like a second, and I think I did see these the last time I saw them. I'm not even sure, but here it all is right here. I am going to grab a few of the plates. There's 8 in here, right? Oh, it's 14. It's 14 in here. We're not doing too much on the plates, some Pop-Tarts, some chips, that type of, if not, we'll just double it. But we need these. It's playoff weekend. Yes on that. In the cart. I'll grab some buckets here, throw some popcorn, right? Yes. In the cart. We saw the hearts. I did not see the craft fabric. I feel like this is reminding me of my blanket that I have in the living room. Yes on that. The black, right? The specs is rocking. And then the straight print down here, kind of like a zebra, is going on. We saw these, right? The short one and then the taller one, the vase. So yeah, I did pick up these, but it was these. I didn't put these anywhere yet. I still have to style those. The wall art, right? Isn't that so pretty? That's so pretty. Let me see what the back look like. Yeah, throw that right on up. So this one, and then the black and the gold is rocking. We saw these signs and things up here. Oh, wow. They are definitely rocking this spring. It's so pretty over here, though. All the bee stuff is out. Look at these squirt bottles. Now, you better stop it on that. That is adorable. The bee, right? What's this? The butterfly back here? That is cute. So I'm thinking about switching it up outside this year. I think I'm going to just go ahead and run the bee, from the house, outside the house too. Girl, that's cute. Oh my goodness. We saw these, yeah. And then these, they match those. That is That is so darn cute. Is it another spray bottle? Yes. Hold on. I was gonna say it should be a ladybug in here in the mix. It is. Yes. The plant hangers, right? Look at these signs. Garden. Let me see what they look like on the back. Oh yeah, throw that up. This one, garden. Throw that in. Right. What's this one? Let it be. I think I really like this one. I like garden and let it be. Miss Girl, you know I don't have a green thumb. Simply Be. Oh, this one is fire too. Yeah, I'm feeling this one. And all the way up top with the sunflowers, right? And then the other one that says garden. Here's welcome with the sunflowers, right? That simple sign. You know what I forgot? I like the sunflowers now. Remember the plates and things? They were supposed to be for the fall, but they can come on out. Oh my goodness, look at all this. Hey there, honeybee. Oh, that's probably my fave because of that check on the side that's rocking. Look, the sunflowers on the bottom. It might be sunflowers and bees this year. What you thinking? I think so. Yes, on the mushrooms. These are different. The blue. It's a lot of texture on here. Look. The orange, the green, the red. I don't trust myself, so I'm gonna just leave it be, right? That one is nice. Let me throw that back. The garden is my happy place. Nice, simple. It looks vintage to me. That might be a pickup too. The bee lights. Oh my goodness. Aren't these new? I don't remember seeing bee lights. The LED light set. That is pretty. Miss Girl, that is pretty. I feel like we saw these, right? I don't remember the purple one. Happy as can be. Let it be, right? All of this up here. The gnomies is rocking. Yeah, I don't remember these either. That's so darn cute. Look at these. Believe. These are like bigger. All the foam is on there. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. Look, it's all over me. I'm going to be wondering in the house where it came from. This one right here. They're all so darn cute. You know what these are reminding me of? The Seven Dwarfs Mine Train ride in Disney. Like all of this, right? Even the gnomies because of the dwarfs. So that's what it's reminding me of. Look at all of these up here. They are rocking. Oh, look at this. That is fire. Yeah, it's definitely going to be probably bees and sunflowers this year, right? Oh, look at these flower pots with the specks rocking. I don't think I've ever seen those before. The black and white, the white and black. Here's the gray back here. Look at this one. Oh, this has the, it's not smooth. It's, you know, on the side. Oh, here are some more. I'm in a whole different section. Oh, yeah, these are $125. Okay. These are different. These are cute. Here are these LED, the makeup mirrors. They're so cute. Tiny, bright, too. It's 3 different ones. So, a matte setting powder by Prolux Cosmetics. So, this one is in the color buff, this green one. What's this one? The pink is porcelain. Yes. And the blue one is bisque, like lobster bisque. So yeah, all 3 of these are rocking. I'm on the end of the makeup row. Here are some more lights. Some hearts and things, the LEDs. Yeah, and some doilies. The heart doilies, the pink, the white. If this fall one more time, oh my goodness, the pink, the white, and the red. Some Disney socks over here rocking. Is that Winnie the Pooh? It's upside down. I think so. Oh yeah. What is happening? Oh my goodness. Ow! You know what? I think it's because they're raising the shelves, right? Because I see 125 is all the way up top. So they're probably just redoing some things. Okay. I don't think anything new popped up on me since the last time. Oh, you know what? These are the crews, but I don't think I saw the Lego My Egos, right? With the toaster. That's like how they should be displayed because they will pop out the toaster, right? Lego My Ego. Oh my goodness. Ow! Hold on. Charlie Brown wasn't here? And these are the ankle ones. Yes, on that. The 2-pack with Snoopy rocking. And the cart. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. Yeah, they are definitely changing some things around. Yes! Remember, I was obsessed with these? I was just about to say, because I was looking through, that these never came back. Yes on that. The Bosco sticks with the mozzarella cheese. Let me grab a few. Yes! In the cart. I'm so happy to find those. Yes! This lady, she just knocked me into the freezer. Miss Girl. Oh my goodness. It was an accident. Oh, they have new scents over here. I feel like, no, not the purple one. This one. I feel like this is the one I have, maybe. Yeah, clean linen. But this one is a eucalyptus and spearmint. So, yeah. In the cart. Oh, this one is spring fresh, lavender. Fresh breeze, smoke odor neutralizer. So, yeah, okay. I want the eucalyptus and the spearmint. I don't see anything new over here in the clean and rockin'. I need to chill in the clean and aisle. Honestly, it's so many things I haven't used yet, and I need to get to it. Oh, I haven't seen this one. I was about to say sweater weather. Sweater season. Yes on that. Let me grab a couple in the cart. I'm in the fun little section right here with the inspirational journals. That's pretty. What's this one? You're a Gem. Yeah, they're just little notebooks. This green one, like totally, for sure. Yes on that. I think that's it. Is this the same one? Is this about to fall? Girl, all of these on the floor. Yeah, that was it. Oh, here's this one. Take your time. You are enough. Be kind to yourself. Yeah, that's for me. Yeah, it's just a notebook. That's cute, right? Miss Girl, I turned around. I turned around and I thought this was somebody standing here. It scared the sugar honey iced tea out of me. Oh my goodness. I wanted to check out the plus section before I left to see if they had the runner. I started putting my decor down. It's kind of complete already. Yeah, I think I'm gonna still get it because, yeah, I wanted it, right? So I'm gonna find a spot for it. I'm gonna get that one back there in the cart. I'm at checkout with a list of things I should be doing. That is funny and slay today. This list of things I should be doing is so funny. Let me see what's rocking. The table runner. This is pretty. I'll find somewhere for it, right? The Bosco sticks. Yes! I'm so excited about these. The kitchen towel, the socks. I think I'm gonna put this back. I don't need it. Some Wizard is rocking. The sweater season, the double action eucalyptus and spearmint. I grabbed these. I threw these in here. Poop bags for Hershey. Oh, off my cheese sticks. And then some football good. So, yeah, not too much, but you know me. I'm still happy. I'll see you soon. Bye.